create a menu and add we're going to create a new page, and we're going to add a link in the main menu to the page. So this is what we're going to do. So we've got a list of pages already, which we've created. So we've got new sample page and this page here, which is our home, set to be our home page. So if we wanted to create a main menu out of all these pages, we would just go to Appearance and Menus, and we'll create a menu called Main. We can call it whatever we like. Create menu. And now in the pages over here, we have all the pages we can add to the menu. And we assign it to the main menu area. If I wanted to change this page here to say home, do that. And now our menu is saved. And if we go to the front end, we can see our menus up here. Now home's not on the left-hand side, so I want home to be the first one. So we can edit the menus, drag and drop, and say I don't want my sample menu to be in there. We can also just remove that here. Save. So that's going to be reflected on the front end here. So I've got home and new. Now I want to add a new page. So I'll go new page. And we'll just call this my new page. Publish that. And in menus, we'll see that this page doesn't automatically get added to the main menu, but we have to add it ourselves. So I can just add that to the main menu right there. Click Save, and this change will be reflected on the front end as well. And that will automatically link to the page. Now, the cool thing about this is that if I change the name of my page, change it to my old page, and we'll update the slug as well. Click OK, and update this. I don't need to go and update my menu item as well. The changes are already reflected, and the link is automatically linking to the new URL as well. That's it. Any questions, let me know on the Facebook group. See you next time.